Ashafone for Mobibiara Kwaba once again about Pinax TV eso. Now the election petition is still ongoing. So if you are following all of these cases and you think say oh the election petition case no atiada anazi ebia kugua for Africa ni moire. Now we've been giving you updates from December. Ebra NDC actually changed their course of action, saying no more demonstration. This year and we want to make the rule of law work. So we are going to go to the courts and make our case heard. Tell them, say we want this election legitimately, or perhaps nobody won it. Begin now, John Dramani Mahama, he was singing a different tune. The different tune was that he has won the elections. Until now claiming say he won per the almost figures near the blood. EC Eba out to be declared Akufo-Addo the president. No, after the 1 week and 2 weeks of protests, you said John Dramani Mahama, of course Supreme Court, no. Kasa na original radio so original TV so ekikim ekan aye different. Kasa no different. Okokache Supreme Court say Supreme Court me petition ye masem ye ye hwe nsem wode koda Supreme Court enima na che say it was a different tune altogether. The tune was that John Dramani Mahama was saying that now nobody has got 50+1, which means both candidates or no and our current president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, none of them have got the 50+1 threshold, which will make them assume the presidency, or which will make them legible for them to be called the president of the Republic of Ghana. So people are saying, is everything all right? Is everything all right? These were the questions of many Ghanaians, but NDC people said they were on track and they know how to present their case, their legal arguments, and maybe at the end of the day, everything will be done. Now, Chachikata led the council. We've seen the back and forth all of this past week, and you're rolling say ye ne cranka. Me so say so. Now, imwa anyemane ekosono. Anna John Dramani Mahama, he filed a petition, said he wants to change his statement, and I say motion on the court of resources, and they granted him judges no granting that request for him to change his whatever thing, his statement and whatever thing he had put in the petition he put in first to the Supreme Court. After the case in the court, say judge lawyer Chachikata, who is the counsel for John Dramani Mahama, or Pacha, say he wants the court and the council and Mahama wants the court to grant them an access and answer interrogatory on EC boss Jen Mensah. This particular interrogatory, Nina say they want the court say a court no ensure EC boss, that is Madam Jen Mensah, say ombra na umbe yi simbiano uti we nekra interrogatory. Interrogatory means interrogating somebody, asking na yembisa Madam Jen Mensah EC John Dramani Mahama on the lawyers omumbisa Madam Jen Mensah first need 20 powerful questions and each omudite so eba 12 powerful questions. Are these questions they believe say is will have laid the path for them to make their argument heard in court. Now eba nesano the court said okay, you dream with the judges, so they went in their chamber and they came back. When they came back, the whole thing was that they dismissed the case and they dismissed that particular plea. John Dramani Mahama, the next day no file another motion seeking a review of request no more granting judges for a dismissal. Say allow my own Madam Jen Mensah and my own bisan questions. They filed another motion seeking a review. Says I review case now more dismiss it no more sound free because and once more dismiss it. They want them to review the outcome. Outcome they say are dismissing now. Mahama epesa court and review that decision of dismissing sa request now. Ibe frame Madam Jen Mensah ni bisa the questions. The next day, Mahama is filing another motion. Say all the election proceedings, the election court proceedings, or unless review and now say in sema obisa course of so obisa Madam Jen Mensah 12 powerful questions unless say yama no request and say yama no a valid response on no Mahama ni beje hono he's alternate into Ushaya newspapers or Mahama files to grant and halt election petition unless the review of a year interrogatory EC boss interrogatory unless it's granted or perhaps unless a reasonable outcome comes. Because the court ama Mahama warning or more patches say Mahama, we are not a political party. You're not small boys. The fact that you've been president before and we're all under you, that doesn't mean say you are above the law. The law says the law says nobody is above the law. In Tinsawa Supreme Court, not Supreme Court, in their own wisdom, in their own jurisdiction, their own intelligence and knowledge, and a verdict. Yes, you are dismissed. You not try to grow horns and try to create certain impressions. Say, yeah, you know, was so hot. How dare you? They've sent a strong warning to John Dramani Mahama. In a time to come, no. I'll be giving you more details, but my main starting with the details of this particular thing. We'll share article where you see about this is coming from Supreme Court. Also, obey our orders. Supreme Court warns and tells John Dramani Mahama. Meaning said doubting Thomas is biwa, but you see, I know. So if you feel like you won't read that article, cartographic, you can read a lengthy of it. It's not maybe a graphic more because this is a first story, so you can just check on their website. Osha, in some more can say the Supreme Court has served a notice. It has the power to dismiss an election petition should its orders not be obeyed. Which means, Mahama, in some Nema or no Supreme Court, ama atwaman and say, some now the bar say you are filing a petition now, or per share election, no winning Nema, whole lot of things. We can dismiss that election petition because we are the Supreme Court. The question follows an explanation by counsel for the petitioner, Ton Luther, that they have opted not to file witness statements as ordered by the court due to pending applications earlier filed. Obekaya Mekacha will say Mahama halted all the court proceedings because interrogation no bisa na Supreme Court and fan command or a positive response. Intino Supreme Court esa eba bagnos Sisi no court a case ni ashasi. Where is your witness statement? Witness statement say one more omu se ne mebi ekoswa enye omunu munsam ni omu sem na omudi aba out e bitimi dia ye ngina so edi case no. Where is it? Any friend witness statement. Lawyer Tony Luther ebekasa or patch say sa witness statement nyamba because Mahama no na other cases na say review na or ka say or person review interrogatory ECE boss no man positive response and no na ye train you know say debi. Mahama is a citizen like everybody, and the law, nobody is above the law. And we want to tell Mahama that we have the power to dismiss an election petition case. It's a honor Supreme Court everyone way emano. According to them, one party Mahama has filed a stay of proceedings along with other applications at the Apex Court. But according to the 7-member panel of judges, the 7-member panel judges, they comprise of Chief Justice Enini Yabua, Justice Yao Apao, Marfo Sa, Professor Ashiko Thei, Mariama Owusu, Nene Amegatho, and Agetru Tokono. They are saying that they are unhappy about the situation. They argue that the witness statement should have been filed as ordered by the court, since Mahama had earlier stated in his initial petition that he has 5 witnesses to back his case. 84, and some American, I believe so you guys are following me. So the judges and subsequently, Omo party said Mahama say all witnesses or all 5 witnesses, and yes, it's no present and also 1 year. But this was an order which came from the court. Internet hearings na course hearings judges na omubu said they be Mahama is not obeying them because they sent out a clear message say Mahama, we have the authority to dismiss an election petition case. And this is the first one because courts they don't just go about blocking or doing things. They be first of all, the first thing that they will do is first of all they will caution you, they will warn you. If you fail to actually obey their rules and regulations, then they will actually move on with the other things. I just say they will sanction us. They will it's first of all they will throw a caution or a warning to you. If you fail to adhere to them, then the next thing is perhaps they will trash or dismiss your case. And as a one case and so because nobody in Ghana is above the law. So it's for winning summer air course to Ghana. We'll give you more details in regards to this particular case. We'll also be looking into more details in regards to this particular case. Let us know what you think. Do you think the B and Summer Corner is actually good for John Dramani Mahama? And I say, if you believe, Rebecca say, Mahama, what you are doing a waste of time. Simply accept defeat and prepare for 2024. Because if you say the dear Akawichi dear, you can't cancel more. They will in any other cancel. And in this world, Nyankopon say, if he blesses you, nobody can curse you. Until you Nyankopon, you say 2024 be president. Now, be a president, you will be, because God, nobody can fight God. So do you think Sir Mahama should go by that plea, or do you think Sir Mahama should fight because the errors in this election is nothing to go home with? Any idea? We should sit down and look at it like just a mere mistake, because at the end of the day, Mahama could have been the presidency, but perhaps if the argument is very much valid, that then it means the presidency was stolen from him, courtesy EC boys and Madam James. I'll give you more updates as the turn of events unfold right here in Ghana.